How to use WhatsApp on two phones with same phone number without WhatsApp Wave. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. Want to use one WhatsApp account on two phones without WhatsApp Wave? Then this video is for you. Simply follow this simple step. First of all, you need to install WhatsApp on your second phone and remove the SIM card from your second phone. Once done, you can easily open WhatsApp on your second phone. Then you can easily select your language and you can easily tap on agree and continue button. Now tap on the three dots at top right corner of your screen and you can easily look for the option of link a device or link as companion device and a code will appear on your screen. Now you can easily open WhatsApp on your primary phone and you can easily tap three dots and select link devices and link a device and scan the QR code from your secondary phone. Now you can use WhatsApp on two phones with the same phone number even if your primary phone is offline. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.